Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So as you see, the Bitcoin, what it done today here, it gave us here an indecision candle. That one here, that indicating the market is going to stay here sideways. And may I tell that to you in the last video? I told you got here inside bar now, that one here, even if we zoom it a little bit like that for picture to get more clear to you. As you see it, that one, that candle, that one in the tail of it, in the top tail and the down tail, you got an inside bar until now the market showing you staying sideways here. So that one is very easy to trade it. It needs the market to break up or to break down for you to enter long or to enter short. Till now there is nothing new. The market is staying sideways here. Even today it came very good news and we show you all that in the last video. You can even go back and watch it. But till now there is no big power to break that level here. And here, if I show you those things I show you before, if you look in here, at the top of the trend line we break, because that one is a very long term trend line. It getting broke. Until now we still waiting here. And majority of the investors, they still waiting the Fed or that Jerome Powell what is going to say in Wednesday. Either the market will break up or it will stay sideways here. But the good news here, when we're breaking the trend line here, we don't go back to touch it again. So that it indicating the market it still got bulls. Still now there is no bears yet. I think picture is very clear to you. So for people that just came now, they haven't been with us for long, that wage we got there, let me show it to you from the top. That the wage us we're talking about. We started from here, and now we break it again here. That the wage we've been waiting all along to get broke. Now it's getting broke here. That's why me don't say it's not yet because of that one. Even that one I show it to the people they been with me. I told you we got here a wake off pattern, very famous wake off pattern here. As you see it, the market it came down and breaking lower here. Now it go back, it touching up here for that wake off pattern to tell you that one is the bottom. What you need, it's need that one to break here and to do like that. Then after that to break the last high. That's how we trade in that wake off pattern. Till now it's showing everything still going how it also we accepted. The only thing now we need to break to happen here for us thinking of the market will go more higher. But me personally, I think that one is the bottom here, that 15k. We'll never go back to it. If it fall down again, it will fall down just to the 200 moving average. But let's wait in the coming days, because till now some people they still saying that one is it's just a manipulation of the market. Even that Jimmy of CNBC, he said the same thing. Jimmy Cramer, he said the same thing, but that's not true. Bitcoin it started going up, and me I told you that in the last video. I told you me personally I've been in that Bitcoin for long, and I know Bitcoin is always starting in January moving up. Even if we go back here, let me show you all those things for no one to say me I just bringing those things from my brain. Look with me here, that 2019 here, over here, January. As you see it here, in that place here, that's where it started the bull run. As you see it, yes, it's make that correction here. That's why those people, they still waiting. They thinking after that is going to fall down another correction. But here, the market give you here a very clear head and shoulder here. As you see it, now it doesn't give you that things now in the chart. So that's the first one. Even if we go back more, we will find the same thing. So I think we are very close, but we don't know what's going to happen. Till now there is no big volume to push the Bitcoin more higher. And one of our friend, he following us, he tell me I need to analyze the option for all the week. So it's going to analyze it for you. So for the options, next Friday is going to finish it as you see it here at all 3 of month 2 2023. So if you came here and we want to see where is the pots and where is the calls, if you came here down here, as you see the calls 21k, there is no calls, it's only puts there. If you came here, same thing at 21,500 is a little bit of calls, 0.1. If we came here at 22k, as you see there is puts and calls. So let's make it like that, 21k here. Over here there is no calls, it's only the pots. That was me I told you that one is being the bottom, because all those ones they are big wells. And look how much is the volume here, 426 Bitcoin pots in that level here. And the people, those ones, the people they believe in the Bitcoin, it will not break lower than that 21k all the way. So as you see it here, and for the calls, let's see where they are. That's why me I told you don't follow someone it never ever trade. So for the calls now, as you see 23k calls and puts, they are similar to each other. 23,500 calls a little bit high, but even the puts there. Here 24k, the puts 15 Bitcoin, the calls is 1.44k. It's going more up. As you see, 24,500, there is no one there. Over here, 25k is 1.67k Bitcoin, and in the pots only 10 Bitcoins. As you see them. So let's put it here, the 25k here, because as you see it over here is very huge volume, is more than 1,670 Bitcoin. Those ones, they believe in the Bitcoin, it will not break that level here of 25k. So also what we said, we got two levels now. We got here 25k, and where we got over here, where we said here at 21k and 25k. So let's going back to the chart and we're drawing their lines. So what else we said? We said the first line is it at 25k over here. We just change it here and we do it like that, 25k, and we change in that color. We make it another color, make it like that, yellow, and down where they said 21k, same thing, we do it like that, 1k like that. That's where they are the options, guys. So also we're still waiting. So those people, they thinking the Bitcoin, it will not break that peak here all the week, and it will not break that peak here all the week, as you see it, because that one is a zone and that one is a support zone. So them, they thinking the Bitcoin, it will stay in here, and those ones in the top, they are wrong. You're going to remember that it's going to be liquidated, and if it get liquidated, you're going to see Bitcoin very high going. So it's waiting what's going to happen. I think everything is too clear here. Now let's go in to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours. So it's going there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Here in the 4 hours, there is nothing new. Also, we said it before, and now we give us here a very clear flag as you see it now. Now if you came from down here to here, that one is a very clear flag. You just need to close it from here. So those people, they telling you the Bitcoin is going to fall down, I don't know where they get it from. You got here a flag, and the flag is a continuation pattern like how we used to have it here. When it's getting broke here, it's continued upward. Now the same thing now here, we got another flag here, very clear. But as you see, the Bitcoin, it couldn't break here all the week, and he couldn't break down here all the week. So the people, they enter with us from down, from 17k and 15k. Hell no, there is nothing here. It's telling us the market is going to reverse. Also, we're still in an uptrend. Unless if the market came and break a lower here, that level here, we'll close our long position and we will open a short position. And I see some people, they try to make like that. They make in here like a wage. Why should me I connecting that one when me I got here a flag? There is no wage here. The most important is that one, that level where you are. It started from here to here. And the market is always working like that. And I'll show you that even in the 200 moving average in 30 minutes. I'll show you the 200, it's been doing like that, like that, like that, like that. And if you study the market structure, that is a market structure here. It's telling you the market is it sideways now because investors, they still waiting what the Fed is going to tell them, because the fundamental is the fuel we're going to drive the market up. I think picture is very simple and clear. You don't need to complicated things for the people they follow you here and here. Look with me. I put it in my Telegram channel. I told you if it's breaking lower here, you enter short. If it's breaking up here, you enter long. People, they've been with me for some time now. As we enter from 17k, we don't need to enter long if it's breaking up, because as we already got a long position, people, they haven't entered, they can't enter from here. If it's breaking down here, people, they've been with me from 17k, we're closing our long position and we open a short position. That's what me I've been telling you. So here there is nothing new. Let's go now to see our indicator and to tell you why those people, they're thinking the Bitcoin is going to fall down. Let me show you why. Those people, they're thinking the Bitcoin is going to fall down because of that divergence they got here. That very clear divergence, yes, but you don't got any price action here indicating the market is going to reverse. But the most important thing, over here, you can draw now. You got here an up channel. Look at it like that. You see it or no? That one is better to draw in here a triangle or a wedge, because over here it's touching twice and down it's being touched twice. That one is an up channel, yes, but the most important here, I'm not focused about that one. I'm focused about that one here. That flag we got here, like the same how we used to have it here, like the same how we used to have it at 17k. If it's breaking up, fair enough. If it's breaking down, fair enough. Something else, there is nothing new. And here in that indicator, what me I told you before, I told you that one, people, they haven't entered. long. When it's going to touch here the trend line here, they got another opportunity for them to enter long again, because as I show you now in the options, majority of the options they are at 21k and there is a 22k, but also we don't want that. We came where there are no calls, is only pots. They are at 21k at big volume. So if it came down here, is another opportunity for you to buy. The market is always give you opportunities and you don't miss it. But wait, you need to wait a little bit. Let's go to see our other indicator, what it's saying. The one here, as you see it, it enters here to the overbought area. So technically you need to looking for a short now. But for you to enter short, you need a price action, and the price action you got is the one that channel. If it's breaking down here, you can enter till the 200 moving average here, because me I show you all that before. What me I told you about that level here. I told you you got here a very stronger supply and demand zone here. If it fall down here, you take some of the profit, but those people of the options, they showing us only here. That's what them they showing us, because over here is a very stronger level. If you see that the day of FTX when it collapsed from here, that's what them they saying it will not break that level here, and from here it will go in upward. Also we don't care if it's breaking down, we will enter short. If it's breaking up, we will enter long. That's it. Also we don't care what those people they saying. Also we believe in what our eyes telling us. I don't follow no one. Me personally, I'm a professional investor. I've been in that market for long. I'm never follow no one and don't even watching TV because of those things. Majority of them, any one of them, he working for some agenda, and you see that even Olari, what he doing is a big drama happening in the market. You always follow your eyes, and the chart, they don't lie, as you say them, and the data, they don't lie. When the Fed is telling you is going to increase interest rate, is in front of you. When it gets lower, is in front of you. Everything is too clear. Now it's going to 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So we're going there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, the last video, watch me, I told you got here a head and shoulder like that, and like that. The neckline it's being here, as you see it, getting broke here, in that level here. Take profit of that one, watch me, I told you do it like that. And in the place where it's getting broke, you do it like that. It's going to come tail here, and it's bringing the take profit exactly as you see it by the tail of that candle here. Now, maybe it's going to go back more upward, it will touch in here. So you here, you need to wait in a little bit. What's going to happen? And here now look what it's giving you here. It give you here like a small up channel like that. I'm talking here just about scalping and day trading. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, that's why I told you if you want to day trade, you need to use that indicator. As you see it enter here in that place to the overbought area. So the people they enter from here will have here. They started protecting themselves. And here in 30 minutes, let me show you something very important, because for long-term trading, I just showed it to you yesterday for some people to be and follow me for some time. Look with me. Here, look here, that the Bitcoin is going up. You see that 200 moving average here, that blue one, what it doing? Look here, it's being sideways, yes or no? It's very simple. Look here, it's going up, yes or no? Look here now where you are, it's sideways. So you are in a market structure. That's what me have been telling you. A trend up, a sideways market, a trend up. Now you are in a sideways market. And even here, if you're looking at the chart, the same thing. Look at it here, up, here, sideways, here, up, and here, sideways. So there is no entry long, no entry short here in that place where we are. Unless if we're breaking up here, for us thinking of the market will continue going upward, or the market will falling down, and it will not move unless the Fed came and tell us in the press conference. Because all of us, we know the Fed is going to increase interest rate by 0.25. But what is going to tell us in the press conference, that is the most important. So let's wait until Wednesday, then we're going to see a big move. Yeah, no, there is nothing, guys. I think everything is too clear. So that's it for that video. See you in another video. Bye for now.